Hey everyone, this is Justin Kreps from Kreps Service Station, Spring Mills, Pennsylvania. Today we're going over the Bighorn Denali APEX 1000. This is the full cab unit with heating and air conditioning from Bighorn, so let's jump into it. We've got the hard roof, windshield wiper with washer, the glass windshield, the heavy duty front bumper, LED headlights, turn signals. We've got the winch, A-arm guards, some very nice off-road tires, and the blacked out aluminum rims. Let's take a look under the hood. The hood comes off by turning these two knobs. Pop it off here. We've got the radiator cap, the coolant overflow. This is the cabin air filter. And then we've got the washer fluid. The Denali Apex has a tilt-out windshield, so let's go ahead and tilt this out. There's a knob on each side that you have to turn, and then there's two hydraulics on there, so all you gotta do is pop that up. And then when you're done with it, you can just bring this right down, and then come on in here. See this little knob right here? You just simply turn that. And there's one right on the other side over there. The Denali has some very nice full side doors. We've got foldable mirrors. These are lockable doors. And then you open it just like this. What's really nice with these doors is it's all glass. And then we've got the roll down, roll up window. And a little cubby hole to store some stuff right there. Going over the inside of the unit, the driver's seat is adjustable. There's a little arm right here. You pull that up. Then you can put this forward and back. We've got some very nice headrests. We've got 3 seat belts, so the Denali is a 3-seater. The center section right here does fold down. You get some nice cup holders and everything there. Another cool thing is if you need some extra room, you can actually pull up on the seats, get some extra room right here, and you've got a couple more cup holders right here. And then you just pop them right back down. Very nice headliner up here. Got a nice dome light and the rear view mirror. Going over the dash, we've got a very nice wifey approved grab handle. Got a cup holder. We've got the speaker for the passenger side. There's also one on the driver's side. Got a little cubby hole to store stuff right there also. The glove box opens right up here. And then we've got some paperwork from Bighorn along with the owner's manual. We've got the toolkit, the wireless winch remote, and then we've got the door keys. We've got some power ports, so we got the USB and the USB-C. When we're talking power ports, this is your more traditional one. We've got our turf mode switch. So this switch right here locks and unlocks the rear differential. So right now we're in turf mode, which is basically one-wheel drive. So we can take a tight turn in the grass and not rip it up. Activating that locks the rear wheels together. So if you take a tight turn, it's going to rip up your grass. Come up here. This is our four-wheel drive switch. So that right there activates four-wheel drive, where both the front wheels are turning, but they can still turn at different speeds. And then the final position right here, that locks the front differential. So we'll just go ahead and unlock everything. This is our wiper washer system. So if I go ahead and activate that, that activates the wiper. And then holding in on it activates the washer system. These are our hazard lights. This is our HVAC control, the heating, ventilation, air conditioning. So we can go cooler, hotter. The upper part of the switch switches it to air conditioning. There's off. And then bottom part of the switch switches it to heat. And then this is our fan. We have 3 speeds. The transmission has a low, high, neutral, reverse, and a park. We've got our turn signal switch right here. This is our park brake. We've got the winch switch, the horn, and then over here we've got the headlights, high and low beam, and then on and off, and then right there is the other speaker, and then we've got the cup holder for the driver's side. Okay, the Bighorn Denali APEX 1000 has two touchscreens. We've got the main cluster, and we also have the center screen that has the backup camera. So we got a lot of good information on the center screen. We have our tachometer, tells us what gear we're in. We've got our fuel level, mileage, a little bit of everything. We can listen to the radio, link your phone up to it. We got the settings and the clock. We also have the backup camera. So I like that the backup camera doesn't take the whole screen up. You still have your tachometer and everything there. Coming over to the main screen, this is actually pretty cool. This is also a touch screen. So we've got our fuel gauge, coolant gauge, tells us what gear we're in, if we're in two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, tachometer, speedometer. We've got our park brake on there, hours, miles, a little bit of everything. What's cool is right here, this little center section right here, if you touch this, you're going to see it switching between hours, miles, trip, a little bit of everything there. And then we can actually bring up a menu. So right on the park right there, I'm going to touch and just hold and then pop off. And then this brings up the menu. So we can actually change the backlight. If you put different tires on it, your tire diameter. That EPS shift controls the power steering and how much power steering you get. So it comes from the factory with mid, but if you don't like a lot of power steering, you can put it to minimum. Or like if you have a plow or something like that on and you want more power steering, you can switch it to max. You've got the clock, change the language, units. So if you've got fault codes and whatnot, you can go in there and see that. You do maintenance, vehicle information. It's just a little bit of everything in there. So if you want to get out of that, all we got to do is just click on out. The Bighorn Denali APEX 1000 is powered by the ODES 976cc V-twin engine, and it's also got the integrated drive system right behind it. That integrated drive system is the transmission and rear differential all in one. And then you check the fluid right here for the transmission, and then right over here for the engine. And then coming back up here, we've got the air filter sitting right here. And behind this cover right here is our diagnostic connector and our ECU. And then the APEX 1000 with the heating and air conditioning, it actually has an alternator. At the back of the machine, very nice glass rear window. We've got a hydraulically assisted dump bed. And what that means with the hydraulic assist, there's a cylinder in there, kind of like the tailgate of an SUV, hood of a car, that helps you in dumping the bed. We've got the pickup truck style tailgate. We got the tape measure sitting right here so you can measure stuff. Very nice tie downs in that bed. We got tail lights, turn signals, brake lights right here. Backup camera. The very nice rear bumper. We've got independent rear suspension, fully adjustable shocks with the piggyback reservoirs, and we've got that rear receiver with the 2-inch ball for your towing needs. The Bighorn Denali APEX 1000 can be purchased from Kreps Service Station in Spring Mills, Pennsylvania. Thank you for watching the video.